Hello, my fellow scratchers. Today we are going to do a platformer game on Scratch. Yes, a platformer game. There are many complex ones out there in the Scratch community, but this one is going to be a simple one. I'm going to break it into pieces, and it's going to be a multiple part series. So, now back to business. So first of all, we will have to create the land on which the sprite or the character of your platformer game will walk or move on. And keep in mind that we'll not be doing the jumping, we will only be doing the right and left movement. Since jumping is very complicated, and in this episode it will not be possible. It will be a 30-minute long video if we do the jumping. So yeah, so I'm just going to make it a nice brown kind of color. I guess that looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to make like a good little green thing here. Yes, you may be thinking why a green thing. Well, I just want to add some kind of texture. So yeah, I'm just going to light it up fully from here and then like this. Yes, looking good. So now, but this is way too plain. I don't like it this plain. So and before that, I'll just remove this outline because it does not look good. And you could always keep in that outline, but I'll just remove it. And then this kind of looks plain, so to do things like a little some grass edges like this and this, so I'll just fill in the same color as this outline, none, and then you will just have to rotate it like this and put it back in. So now look, there's a bit of texture in it, and I'll just decrease the size a little, not that much, or else it will be impossible to do it today. So yeah, so you can just keep on going like this and like that. And so yeah, guys, I'll be right back when I'm done. So yeah, I'm back everyone, and this is what my sprite looks like. I think that's a good bit of texture there. So and I'll just name this like the land or something. And as I said, you could do anything you want. So we'll put from the events a when flag clicked, and then from the motion go to x0y0. It looks pretty good like that. And that's it. And for the main character, and I'm just going to name it sprite. I'm just going to make a simple little one. I'm not going to do it from the scratch movie, but you could always, as I said. So yep, I'm just going to do this at the vertical rectangle, and then I'm just going to turn it horizontally, and now it should look like this if you follow my steps. And yep, now you have to put a green circle kind of thing here, and then I'll just make this red, I guess. Oh no, yes, like yeah, I mistaken it, a little mistake. So yeah, if you don't know what the undo key is, well, it's Control plus Z. But if you already knew, then congrats. This is what your sprite should look like right now if you followed my steps. So yep, I'm just going to make it black eyed, like black eyed, and then I'm just going to copy it and paste it and done. Wow, looking good. But I'm just going to increase its size by a little bit, and yeah, this is what your sprite should look like right now if you follow my steps. Well, if you didn't, then yours should be good because, well, I'm not a designer exactly, am I? So yeah, Go to looks and set the size to 150 percentage. And then now not go to this, go to like here. Yeah, negative 210 and then negative 103. Can I make it to negative 100? Let's see. Oh, it's not going to go well. If it is 100, but if I do this, just a little thingy, if oops, I'm going to go here and just do this, and wow, looks good. Oh, I'm just going to make this go like stretchingly out there because you could see that blackout line. And look, now it fits perfectly. So yeah, so now I can just do like this when left arrow key is pressed, but I'm not going to do that because it will run even if the flag is not clear. So I'll just put a forever loop just after this code. And oh yeah, one thing to keep in mind, set the rotation style to left and right. And also the point in direction to 90 because we are going to do when it is left, we are going to point it the other way around, like left side. So yep, if then and then key left arrow pressed and then the change change x I mean by negative 5 I guess, and then also the point in direction negative 90 and it should not go like or like upside down because I put the set rotation style left and right. And then I'm just going to duplicate this whole code if then and put it just after the other if then. So yeah, if right arrow key pressed, then just 90 switches to 90 and 5. Done. Now it should look pretty good. So yeah, look, a perfect movement. And I'll just make a background and change this color to maybe I guess a darkish blue will look good because right now the what do we call it? Yeah, it's blending in with the grass. So I do not want that, so I'll just make it darkish blue. Done. Looks good. Nope, 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 nope. That's not what I meant it to do. And that looks pretty good. You can choose that if you want, but I'll not choose that because I just like creating things on my own. And yeah. I think this will look pretty good if you just swap. Yup, looking good. And I'll just add some little cloud so you could just do like this and then put it complete whiteness if you want. I'll do that only. So yep, and then you could just get the reshape tool and I'm just going to create my clouds like this, this, this and this. That's a cloud. Okay, maybe I'll just make it a little more naturalism. Yeah, considering me, I don't know what naturalism means. So yeah, now this looks good, and now I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm just going to mess with this, and I'm just going to reshape it a little now, and then maybe that looks good. Looking good. Nobody will ever notice that I just flipped it horizontally and vertically. So yeah, looks pretty good, right? So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for updates if I post a video on my channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye.